Video tips for Instagram ads. In today's digital generation, competition is getting tougher in the business world. With this, you must develop a well-laid-out plan of action to keep ahead of the competition. The best way to support this is to engage in creating Instagram ads that can help grow your specific business. A video is an essential ingredient to have successful Instagram ads. It plays a significant role in convincing potential customers to purchase your products or services. On the other hand, even though Instagram ads only play for a few seconds, it can really catch the attention of people, especially if it is of very good quality. It is important for you to bear in mind these helpful ideas on how to create an effective video for your Instagram ads. Here are some of those helpful tips on how to make a catchy and professional Instagram ad video. Choose the best aspect ratio. Spoiler, it's 1:1. The rise of Instagram videos began way back in 2013. During those times, video clips were limited to 15 seconds in length and only displayed in 16:9, 920 by 1080, or 1:1, 1080 by 1080. To make videos for your Instagram ads, you must make an effort to reach as much retail space as possible. In addition to this, if you want to attain a bigger and greater presence on the user's mobile phone, you can make use of the 1:1 ratio. It can crop parts from the edge of the frame, but the 1:1 ratio will play back bigger on mobile devices. This is a very helpful way for you to get the attention of the users that quickly scroll on their feed. You must think through the crop when you choose clips. Since Instagram was designed for mobile phones, advertisers now have the chance to choose the part they are going to crop. Most advertisers choose to use footage shot on professional video cameras. The good thing about that is the video that you will include in your Instagram ads can now look sharper and can be manipulated more easily during the editing process. When you are making 1:1 ads, you must consider the details of the frame that you want to display. When you are using the 1920 by 1080 footage, you can crop the clip. In addition to this, you must also make sure that the things you want to include in the video fit the frame of a 1080 by 1080 canvas. A great tip for making Instagram ads video is that you need to have sufficient room for the crop. Use big readable text. Think of your Instagram ad as a billboard. You can only get the attention of your potential customers if you include big, clear text on your Instagram ad. With the above mentioned video tips, you can create a productive Instagram ad.